Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing another unboxing. Oh my god, it's been so long since I've done this, I think. But oh well, I'm joined by
Little
bro slash anime lover.
And I got
Look,
more red.
he got his red hair.
I got more red hair. I got more.
Look at his red hair, you can't really see it in the dark.
Right now I'm drinking some of this.
Yep, okay. Well, you guys might be wondering.
Since my brother finished all the Harry Potter.
We watched all the movies.
We watched all the movies, he read all the books. So, let's get ready.
Oh, look, here's little Asuna.
Aw, Asuna's up on her cage.
I don't think you guys.
And yes, we got her a new cage. If you didn't watch our last video, you should watch it. It's good. It's short, but it's still good. It's good.
Oh well, what we're unboxing today is Hedwig.
Oh my god. But sadly, he's being choked
He's being choked right now.
by a little steel thingy-majiggy. Let's show him the back of the box.
Okay, it says Harry Potter magical creatures. Up here it says
Harry Potter.
other way. Harry Potter magical creatures.
And then it has a picture of Hedwig.
And on this stamp it says Department for the Regulation and Control of Magical Creatures. And
it's number one.
It's creature number one.
Hey, Bob. Wait. Oh, look. Asuna was trying to get out. Oh. Let's see what she tries to do. You think she'll open it?
Let's see if she can open it.
Can you open it? Can Asuna open the lid on her cage?
Okay.
My brother like unlocked it. You know what? No. She's gonna escape eventually. I'm just gonna. There. I'm dying here, man.
Okay.
So
well,
back on with this.
Tell me which one I'm going to get. Right now, I can see Nagini.
My mom sees Dobby.
Gringotts Bank.
My mom sees Dobby. I see Dobby.
The Gringotts Goblin. Fox the Phoenix. And Buckbeak.
Huh?
And one more. I forgot which the other one was. Well, I'm just starting to unbox this. I'm very, very, very surprised about this.
I'm eating ice.
Yes, you are. Okay, it's gonna be very hard to open this.
Guys, try to hear it.
Oh my god. Showing his cheeks. Chubby cheeks. Little chubby cheeks.
And I got some new headphones too. My brother does. And my brother's on Jumpstart from middle school.
Oh yeah, I am. But I don't care.
He's going to Jumpstart from middle school. Here, we need some help from the guy.
No.
Okay.
It's just very hard, Fetty. Bagel. Little bro.
Here, wait, let me.
No, wait.
Let me help. And the first thing that happened, I just ripped the box. No, it's plastic. I can't rip it. It's hard. It's hard to rip plastic. I'm dying here. Wait, is there tape here?
I suppose we gotta open it here.
No, but there's tape here. There's still...
No, that's not tape. Another hard unboxing.
Another one.
Oh my god, that was so weak. Like me.
True.
Let me also.
Hurry, give it to me.
No. Ouch. My finger. My index finger.
God dang it, I want one ice to come in my mouth.
Okay, guys, you want to know what my favorite character is?
I don't know.
To be honest, it is Cedric Diggory. Yours?
Malfoy. No, Malfoy. What are we talking about?
Which Malfoy, though?
None.
Okay. No, which one were you going for?
I was going for
Draco?
No, Ron.
Oh, Ron.
I think I got it. I got it
Tell me which one you like.
in the comment below.
It could be any.
Oh yeah, if we get, let's hit 5 likes on this video.
I doubt we'll ever have it.
Okay, I'll go for something simple. Let's say we get 3 or 2.
No, 3.
Yeah, 3.
It's the biggest like goal we've ever hit, I think.
3 likes, we'll do a pun video. 2 likes, we'll do a challenge.
No.
Why?
This is already a challenge. That's why.
I get it. I get it so well. Oh my god. Yeah.
What's your
Hedwig!
favorite?
I want to get you out of here. We're trying to save you, buddy. But
Yeah.
we can't.
Okay.
Wait, the thing that you said?
What?
About the...
What?
Oh, never mind.
All around me are familiar faces. I can't. If I okay, I was about to spoil the movie for some of you guys, unless you already watched Deathly Hollows. Oh my
And the
god!
rest of the movies?
And the book. It was so sad.
All around me are familiar. Mostly because Professor Snape and
Don't
blah, blah, blah,
say,
blah, blah,
don't
blah.
say it.
We don't want you to know. Unless you already watched it.
Yeah,
Comment down below if you already watched it.
Deathly Hollows.
And the whole series.
Yeah.
If not just one movie. Like, tell us if you watched a movie from Harry Potter.
This is so hard.
Fantastic Beasts don't count.
Yeah, Fantastic Beasts doesn't count.
Yeah, it's not Harry Potter. That's before Harry Potter.
Yes. Yep.
No,
This is
this
so
is the
hard.
thing I was telling you about.
Oh, that one. I know.
Say it.
No.
Say it.
No. Too savage to say it.
Is it bring magic to the art? And I'm like, it's hurting the scar. No. Okay, I'm not.
Can you give me some scissors?
No.
Yes.
Unless
If
you
only
say
I had a wand. I would use the spindle on the tape. Give me some scissors.
Until you say the thingy.
Let's see. What was that? What was that magical word?
No.
Imperial.
Wow.
I control you now.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Woo!
I'm causing you to flop.
No, you're not. Okay, what do you want me to do?
Get the scissors.
Nope.
Flail around like a turd.
I'll just... Unless you say it.
Please.
No, not
Please.
all around. Wait, that's the rule.
It's past 5 seconds.
There's ice. You can never go wrong.
Ew. He put the ice that was on the floor into his mouth. And there was sand right next to it.
No, it was right here.
Oh, never mind. No, but some of the ice went, but some of the sand went in there. Went there. Yeah, it did.
No.
Yeah. Can you give me the scissors, please?
Unless you say that the thing about the scar.
No.
Then I won't do it. Oh yeah, I'll need this.
Give it. Either give me a Band-Aid or something.
What Band-Aid?
Because it hurts. My finger hurts just
Fine.
opening this.
I'll give you a Band-Aid, but not scissors.
Can you get the scissors while you're there? Like, can you get the scissors? Please.
Yeah, but unless you said...
No. No, because you're me. No, because you had the honor of being in my video.
True. Wow.
Making a video. We're gonna set Hedwig free one day. Which is today. There's the beautiful Hedwig. Beautiful. Beautiful. Squawk. Oh my god, that's the best thumbnail ever. What?
I'm gonna give you the second to last bandit we have.
All around me are familiar faces. Worn out faces. Austin is just sleeping. What's Mikasa doing? Sleeping. Thanks. Don't throw her. Put him. I just told you not to throw him. Wait. I know how to do it then. Now I can't open the.
Yeah.
That's just karma.
Karma.
Let
me open this real quick.
Wait.
For some reason, I don't know why it's so heavy. Look at the books and the wand that's in there.
Oh, wait. I know where to open it from.
Here.
You do, I'm sure. Wait. I'm about.
McGonagall!
McGonagall?
Yeah. Never point these at people.
Okay. I know it.
Okay, fine.
You do, sure.
If you guys might be wondering what I'm drinking, I'm not drinking. I'm eating ice. Look.
Oh my god. It's open.
Oh my god.
We only needed to use the magical scissors. It was needed to say Alohomora. Hehe. Alohomori don't work right now.
Give me this.
No, wait. Let's just open it. Let's just open this.
That's not good enough.
Yeah, it is.
That's not good enough. No, it's the meme remix.
Yeah, I know.
Thingy. That's not good enough. That's not good enough. That's not good enough. Oh yeah, sorry for the bad quality we have.
Yeah, bad quality.
We hate bad quality.
Beautiful 144 people. I mean, quality.
True, I don't even know what he
Actually,
meant.
I'm not sure if it's 144. Yay, I opened it. Okay, now I need the bag.
Can I do the bag?
Wait. I'll let you.
You always say wait.
I always say wait.
And then the first thing that happens, you do it.
Okay. You're gonna go like this. You're gonna pull it back. Or just go up.
Okay.
Or just do
Or
this.
stab it.
No, don't stab it.
And that
We need to preserve it.
That really kills Hedwig.
Like this. Very good, like this. Oh,
Dude, you almost cut my.
All around me are familiar. It's safer if I do it, because then I can sacrifice myself. And you still have your 8 beautiful fingers.
Oh wait, I do have 8.
Aw, you have baby hands.
No, I have 6. I do have 7. 7. And 8. Haha, 8 fingers, JK. Okay,
It won't work.
Wow. Well, I need to do something real quick.
What are you doing?
You'll see. Oh, dang it! Quit moving finger! Dámelo. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we're a BRB.
Yay, I did it. Oh my god. I did it. I did it. Look, guys. I opened it. Okay. Let's just tilt it. Oh my god. There be Hedwig. Here be Hedwig. Now.
I'm back.
Oh my god. What happened? Is it still recording, guys? Okay, it's still recording. Look at this. Darn Hedwig.
Put it back in the box.
Look at. You can showcase these.
Ooh, hey.
Tell them what's on it.
Yo, dude, can't you put it Hedwig in here?
Yeah, we can. Just
Wait.
showcase.
I want to show something out. No, it doesn't work. I want to
Showcase.
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 There's a show and a case.
No, just show them
look.
that.
Here's the thing that Hedwig was on top. There, right here is Harry's wand. Right here is the map that
you sure
showed
about that?
that showed
Oh, it is the Marauders map.
that showed Peter Pettigrew. And these are 2 random books. There's 1, 2 books. And then there's a little table.
1 to 2 to 3.
And then on the back, there's the word Harry Potter. And it says Harry Potter, TM. And then on the bottom it says TM and C on a circle on it. Warner Bros. Entertainment Incorporated. Parenthesis S16. Parenthesis.
Look,
So, yeah.
he said everything, and he didn't like to read.
Exactly.
That's just so surprising.
And here is this. This is made out of glass. Look.
Yeah, it's for show. It's just for show.
Look, you just do this. Look, you just put Hedwig in here, and then put this in your room a little, or next to your Attack on Titan sword, or you're next to your whole Harry Potter collection. Here's a Harry Potter. Look, see, it's supposed. Wow. And look, after a bunch of hard work, it's like super hard to put this in.
Wait, I'll do it later.
No, I got it. Look,
oh, you did it. Wow.
Look. Here it is. And right here, it has the word Hedwig with some epic details inside. So I'm going to put this aside, right next to this camera. That's the good. You think we should turn on the lights to make it better?
No, I'm fine.
It makes us look darker.
Nah. Where's Johnson? She's in her house again. Like her lazy self. Like me.
Here, let me help.
No, wait, I got it. You're free, Hedwig. Nearly.
And I bet you he's already dead because he's been choked for like hours and days and weeks and months.
Actually, he was never alive.
True.
Wanna know why?
Why?
He's not real.
He doesn't have a heart.
Because this is just but it's still so cool.
I wish you could take the stuff off. And then it tells you where they put that place. I wish you could take the wand off, actually. You'd just be like...
No, it's too short.
Sure.
It's not even 11 inches.
How? Well, I'm done with ours. And here's the thing that was super hard to open.
Yeah.
Look, the big plastic. Wait, hear this. Let's see if you can hear it.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear that.
Probably.
They might, but...
Probably not. Because of the racket, you know? We'll go throw this away now. Just talk to me. Let's go through.
I sacrificed my right index finger for this. It hurts so bad.
Your finger hurts? Here, help.
No.
Take a rest.
No.
Yes. I hardly did any work.
No, you showed them all that like a savage.
Yeah, but you're the one who did most of it. I had to go upstairs.
From a rating on 1 to 10, how do you rate Little Bro / Anime Lover?
Help.
I mean, no, not
No
help.
joke, I literally didn't do anything.
I thought you like being lazy.
No. I do, but not with unboxings.
But unboxings are not fun.
Pretty much they are. So much surprise, so much dramaticness, you know?
It's the dramaticness.
The song sounds dramatic, but I'm
Oh my god. It's so fusco.
I need
Two biscuits.
I need to feel them!
Feel it.
Dun, 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 dun. Logan collar.
No. Stop.
Logan collar. I can't do it.
Stop.
Logan collar.
No.
Double dabbing. Dab.
Okay.
I hope you're smiling. I hope you're dabbing on the haters, obviously.
I am about to finish, I think.
Oh, wait, why is there a whole... Oh, I heard you be like a car just speeding inside. And little montage with me. Montage with me.
I'm about to finish. I think.
Wow. That was my montage. Guys, want to see my montage again? Wow.
Oh my god. That montage was 10-10. 10-10 montage.
Sarcasm.
Bego sings emo songs. And he sings it very good. Very, very well. Like a savage. Credit to Harry Potter and all those other people that were in the cast.
Neville.
Okay.
Guys,
I'll be right back. Let's get little bro to unbox this stuff.
Yeah. Finally, I can unbox something important. Who does this? Guys, this is like, ow, God, finger.
These are hardest shit.
Oh, I think I got it. Somebody. Professor in the red shape and wrong black cape and something. Dang it! I almost had it. Yeah, we're still recording. I'm doing it.
We're about to finish.
Yes. And my brother is eating. I already ate. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Oh wait, I have the perfect plan. Let me just do this. Sorry, Hedwig. No. Oh, cheese it. Dude, I did it!
You did it?
Yeah, I just need to take... Woo! Edwin! Look at it! It's epic! I'm so proud of myself. Look, guys, look. Here's Hedwig. He's standing on some books. Here, I'm gonna just roll cinematics. I know I can't make music. That would lead to copyright. So here, I'm just gonna... Here are his dark spots and his white feathers. Along his two wings right here. His tail. And him, his nose, his mustache, that's like this and this. It's a dog from here. His black and yellow eyes. Look at this. Yeah. his bald head. Bald head. And these books, though, them big books. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 books. And what's on the bottom of them? Well, all it says is TM and C with a circle. And C with a circle.
I meant copyright.
Copyright? Oh. TM and copyright WBEI. Warner Bros. Entertainment. So,
Shout them out for me.
huh?
Shout them out.
Shout who?
Shout their names out.
Warner Bros?
Yeah.
Shout out to Warner Bros.
No, I thought it was going to really stream it.
Oh, you want me to? So, I'm gonna put Hedwig on his books and stuff. I'm just gonna lift this up. Okay. Here, I'm gonna put him in this little cage glass. Why was this bulletproof? Because it's so thick. Oh my god, this is hard. How did they... Is it... Was it like this? Okay, I'm confused for a minute, for a moment. Yeah, it has to be like this. Okay, yep, guys, I got it. Look, this is him in the glass thing. Look at this. Look at the top. Look on the bottom. Look on the left side. The right side. The back here. So, that's Hedwig.
I'm gonna check if you had it right.
It's kind of hard to do this. No joke, it really
Wait,
is.
give me.
Well, that's gonna be Hedwig for you guys. That's Hedwig.
Okay,
We'll see you guys in the next one.
Yep. See you guys.
See ya.
Let's just-
3, 2, 1, bye.
Boys, with a little 3, 4, 3, 2,
Hurry up.
1.
3, 2, 1,
Well,
bye.
guys, see ya.